it's Chef Shay. How's everyone doing today? So today's recipe, I thought it would be cool because, you know, we're getting ready for like the Super Bowl or just any type of entertaining. And so I'm going to be doing a roasted red pepper dip. And this is really simple, quick and easy. You can always just mix this up real quick. Like if it's last minute and you got somewhere to go or someone to come over to whip up this dip, or like I said, Super Bowl is getting ready to come up, this would be a great dip to have out with all your other things that you may have, or items or food items that you may have. So this recipe, I also will be using my DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce as part of the dip. So let's get started. I got a jar of roasted red bell peppers. I got the Mazzetta brand, and these are mild. So I'm gonna chop up or dice up 3/4 cup of these roasted red peppers. Okay, and red peppers are just good in general. I cook a lot with them, not necessarily the ones that are in the jar, like fresh red peppers, but this also you could use these roast red peppers like in your spaghettis or your marinara sauces. It gives it a nice twang, a nice sweetness. So, and I like this brand. This is a very good brand. But you can use whatever brand you want. But this, you know, you can find this brand at your local grocery store. The cheese that I'm going to use, or one of the cheeses I'm going to be using, is the Kerrygold cheese. I'm really sensitive when it comes to cheese. So I found that this cheese, I mean, I still can't eat too much of it, but I found that this cheese really works with my body, because sometimes I may get mucus or just other kind of allergic reactions. Kerrygold, this cheese is grass-fed cheese. It's out of it's an Irish cheese. It's all natural, no preservatives. It's imported from Ireland. It's a little expensive because this is about $7, so it is expensive, but to me it's a great alternative. I know they also have like vegan cheeses or other cheeses out there, and this still gives you that great cheddar taste. So this is the cheese that I will be using today in the dip. You can use this one, or you can try, you know, use another white cheddar, whatever is your favorite. But I thought I would share that with you. To me, it's a great alternative. I know they also have like vegan cheeses or other cheeses out there, and this still gives 4 ounces of cream cheese. I softened my cream cheese a little bit, but we're getting ready to. Then we have 1/4 cup of sour cream. Like I said, this is really easy. We got 1/4 of the Remoulade sauce, DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce. Blend all this together. You guys, about the Kerrygold cheddar cheese, that's 3/4 cup of that. And then we have our roasted red pepper. I'm gonna put all of that in there. And then we're just gonna blend it all together, y'all. Easy and simple. Oh. Sorry, y'all, I forgot one thing. A couple tablespoons of hot sauce. Sorry. I forgot that in there. It would have been in the ingredients on the website, but for the demonstration. As you can see, it is going to be a little red color. And now I'm going to take it out. Got most of it out. So now we're going to fold in. So we're going to put, regular bacon's going to have a little more fat in it. But your turkey bacon will do just the same. So we're just going to fold some of that and some of our green onions in here. And then I'm going to transfer this to a nice dish, a nice bowl. And you keep some of the bacon and some of your green onions for garnish. have a bowl here. I'm just gonna transfer my dip to. And if you chilled it, it would thicken up a little bit as well. But for this demonstration, I did not chill it, but you can make this ahead of time, chill it. And once it chills, it is gonna kind of come more to a, you know, a dip consistency. You know, a thicker consistency, rather. So you just, you know, garnish a little bit on top. A little bit of your little bacon bits. And you can use crackers, bread, chips. I think that'll be fine. Okay guys, so I got some bread sheenies here that I'm gonna use, but like I said, you can use any type of crackers or chips, but I thought these were good. These are classic with a little bit of virgin olive oil, and they're 100% vegan. All right, and so then you just get your little serving dish or whatever you want to do, and a couple of them are broke. I'll take those out for presentation purposes. And your guests can just, you know, and like I said, you could do chips or whatever kind of serving bowl you have or serving platter you have. And they can snack on these. God, a lot of broken ones in here, y'all. Have it. Roasted red pepper dip with turkey bacon and scallions and DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce. So I'm gonna go in and taste, y'all. All right, y'all, so now I'm getting ready to go into the taste for our roasted red pepper dip. Let me try it one more time. I'm gonna tell you about it. But it's good. It's really good. So, you know what? That turkey bacon really, it's hitting. It's turkey bacon. It's really hitting, because I was wondering, was it gonna hit the same way as, you know, pork bacon? But it is, because it still has the smoke, because it's like smoked cured turkey bacon. So you still get like that smokiness from it. And then those roasted red peppers, you have that in there, and then your cream cheese, the remoulade sauce, like all that mixed together. It's good. And then you got the green onions in there, so it kind of gives you that, the flavor of that. It's good. Now this would be a good thing. You see how quick and easy it was to make? Basically, you just put everything in the blender, mix it up, fold in your green onions and your bacon, get you some little bruschetta breads or chips, or, you know, whatever, breadsticks, whatever you want to use with this. But this is, I gotta taste it one more time. Okay, I gotta go on one more time, because this is really good. You know what else you could do with this? You can put this like as a spread on some chicken sandwich or something like this. This is good. This is a must make. To get the recipe, go to DivineKuizine.com. Simple, easy. Another way you can use one of my products, the remoulade sauce. It's great. It's easy. So go there and check it out.